I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Temperatures over the next couple of days will be warm once again. Upper 30s expected here for tomorrow. Same thing on Thursday, but this may be a little misleading because, yes, the temperatures will get there, but only early in the morning. Temperatures will be falling, especially in the afternoon. I think by late afternoon, as the sun is going down, the temperatures will be close to 20 degrees, and the wind will be very strong. So, yes, upper 30s, that's early in the morning. Look for it to be a much colder day. As we get into Friday, 20s expected, but overnight lows won't be much colder. They'll be down into the 20s, warming into the 30s, back down into the 20s, and then back into the 30s. So we're up and down in the 20s and 30s for highs. Look ahead, takes us towards Christmas, the end of next week, and that puts numbers into the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. So warm weather on the way. Above normal temperatures tomorrow. Again, falling temperatures expected during the day on Thursday. Strong winds. Some of the gusts could be up around 45 miles per hour. Right now, as we head through the overnight hours, not too bad. The wind, it does lighten up here during the morning and then becomes more of a south wind. That's when the wind starts to increase. And as it does so, we will see fairly mild temperatures, and it stays mild as we get into tomorrow night. Out towards our west, a lot of wind expected over the next 24 hours. We have a high wind watch for northwestern Iowa, portions of Nebraska, South Dakota. That may be a potential for us with a high wind watch tomorrow in advance of Thursday. We'll have to see how this all plays out, but definitely a lot of wind with this system. As for cloud cover, plenty of it as we head through the overnight hours. A couple of breaks late tonight, early tomorrow. As we get towards the afternoon hours, back to a mostly cloudy sky. So a pretty decent day here tomorrow. Clouds here for tomorrow night. Temperatures will remain mild, middle, maybe some upper 30s still. Here comes rain after midnight into the morning hours on Thursday. So this is 7 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures will be warm enough. This will be rain. This moves out of the area by lunchtime, and after that, that's when the temperatures really start to drop off. The wind starts to kick up, and some scattered snow showers will pass on by during the afternoon and into the evening hours, and then by midnight, all the snow chance will come to an end, and then it's just cold. Now, temperatures for tonight will be dropping down into the 20s for overnight lows with the wind out of the northwest. South wind during the day tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees, so more melting of the snow and ice out there. Again, Thursday, this is a morning temperature. Look for temperatures to drop throughout the day, eventually dropping into the single digits. Some of those gusts to be near 40, 45 miles an hour. Morning shower, afternoon snow shower. Friday, temperatures will be in the upper 20s for highs, so a little bit colder after a morning low of 3, but temperatures won't drop. Actually, they may actually warm into the overnight and continue to warm through the day on Saturday, middle 30s. Then we drop down into the single digits again, only warming back into the 20s, and then we'll be in the 30s around here Monday and Tuesday with dry conditions. So after this passes on by, look for dry conditions here for the weekend, early part of next week, and probably even into the rest of next week, which takes us through Christmas, and above normal temperatures expected.